Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome viewers to our channel Study Forum. I hope that you all are well. Our today's video is the continuity of the previous one. As you know, in the previous video we discussed geography's first chapter, Earth as a planet. We discussed some short question answers including additional one. So in today's video we are going to discuss some long questions of this chapter. So the first question is define rotation and formation of day and night. So first you have to mention what is the definition of rotation. So the definition is the movement of Earth around its axis is rotation. There are some characteristics of it. The movement is from west to east. The speed of this movement is about 1700 kilometers per hour. Days and nights are formed as a result of this movement. Next heading is formation of day and night. Days and night are formed in such a way. When some portion of Earth remains in front of Sun, then this portion experiences day. Similarly, portion of Earth remains in darkness, experience night. Now next, let's discuss the second question, which is define revolution of Earth and change of season. So we will start from the definition. The movement of Earth in its orbit around the Sun is called revolution. There are some characteristics of it. The first characteristic is the movement is anti-clockwise. The Earth completes a revolution in its orbit in 365 days and 6 hours. Seasons are formed by this movement. Change of seasons. On June 21st, there is summer in northern hemisphere due to the tilt of northern hemisphere towards the sun. Similarly, southern hemisphere experience winter. On December 22nd, the southern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, while northern hemisphere is away from the sun. That is why there is summer in southern hemisphere and winter in northern hemisphere. On March 21st and September 22nd, neither of the two hemispheres is tilted toward the sun. That's why the season is neither too hot or too cold in both hemispheres. Now this is the last question of this chapter, which is write a note on the continents. So in this question हमने पैराग्राफ की फॉर्म में क्वेश्चंस को नहीं लिखा, बल्कि थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट इसको किया है, यानी कि हमने डायरेक्शंस के साथ जो है वो कॉन्टिनेंट्स की लोकेशन को लेबल किया है, ताकि स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग हो और वो इजीली उसको मेमोराइज कर सकें. सो लेट्स बिगिन. How many continents are there? As you know, there are 7 continents in the world. The first continent is Asia. It is the largest continent of the world. So let's discuss its location. Asia, okay. In the north of Asia, there is Northern Ocean. In the east of Asia, there is Pacific. In the west of Asia, there is Europe, and in south is Indian Ocean. Next, the second largest continent is Africa. In the north of Africa is Mediterranean Sea. In the west is Atlantic Ocean, east Indian Ocean, and in the south is Southern Ocean. Next continent is North America. It is the third largest continent. In the north of North America is Northern Ocean. In the west of North America is Pacific Ocean. In the east is Atlantic, and in the south is South America continent. Next continent is South America. It is the fourth largest continent. As we have discussed in the North American continent, that in the south of North American continent is South America. ठीक है? In the south of North America is South America. Similarly, in the north of South America is North America. So in the west of South America is Pacific Ocean. In the east, Atlantic, and in the south is Southern Ocean. Next continent is Antarctica. It is the fifth largest continent. It is situated around the South Pole. It is only uninhabited continent. So we have not mentioned a lot of detail because the directions that available in the map, so we labeled only. So in the North Pole and in the South Pole is Antarctica, यानी कि in the north is the North Pole, Antarctica के, और in the south there is South Pole. Next continent is Europe. It is the sixth largest continent. Northern Ocean is in the north of Europe. Atlantic Ocean is in the west. Mediterranean Sea is in south, and Asia is in east of Europe. Last continent is Australia. It is the smallest continent. So in the northeast is Pacific Ocean, and in the southwest west is Australia. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.